Can a simple tea help your vital organs, your fat loss, or your lifespan? Sounds like hype, right? Well, today we are separating facts from fiction about green tea, and some of the truth might actually surprise you. By the end of this video, you'll know what green tea actually does for your body, what's exaggerated or misunderstood, and how to make the healthiest possible cup as most people get this wrong. Green tea is powerful, but it's not magic. Too much? Still harmful. Wrong expectations? Misleading. So let's break it down scientifically and honestly. First is its antioxidant power. Let's start with the biggest reason green tea gets all the hype. It's packed with polyphenols, especially catechins. Now, here's what that actually means. Think of your body like metal. Over time, it rusts. That's called oxidative stress. And antioxidants? They're basically your body's anti rust system. That's important because oxidative stress is linked to aging and diseases like cancer. A large review in the National Cancer Institute notes mixed evidence green tea may reduce cancer risk, but it's not definitive. So, is it a good habit? Yes. But is it a miracle cure? No. But here's something way more immediate: bad breath and oral health. Green tea catechins actually kill odor causing bacteria in your mouth. A study in the Journal of Periodontology found reduced bacteria linked to bad breath and plaque formation. So, yes, green tea might quietly upgrade your oral hygiene. Now let's talk energy, because this is where green tea beats coffee for a lot of people. Calm, focused energy. Green tea contains about 30-50 milligrams caffeine. But here's the real secret. It also has L-theanine. This combo gives you focus from caffeine and calmness from L-theanine. No jitters, no crash. Research published in Nutritional Neuroscience shows this combo improves attention and mental performance. So instead of a spike and crash, you get smooth, stable energy. And it doesn't stop at your brain, it also improves your heart health. Green tea has been shown to lower blood pressure and improve cholesterol balance. A meta analysis in American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found consistent improvements in cardiovascular markers. And since heart disease is a leading global killer, that's a pretty big deal. Now let's address the question everyone secretly cares about: fat loss. Can green tea actually help you burn fat? Short answer: yes, but not dramatically. Some studies show increased metabolism and fat oxidation. For example, research in the International Journal of Obesity found modest fat burning effects. But here's the truth most people won't tell you: it's a small boost, not a transformation. Now, here's something even more long term: brain protection. Green tea compounds may help protect against Alzheimer's and Parkinson's disease. A review in Frontiers in Aging Neuroscience suggests catechins may reduce brain plaque formation. And now, the claim everyone gets excited about: longer lifespan. Some large studies, like one with over 40,000 participants in Japan, published in the Journal of the American Medical Association, found that people who drank 3 to 5 cups daily had lower risk of death, fewer heart issues, fewer strokes. But again, correlation does not equal causation. Green tea drinkers often live healthier lifestyles overall. So don't expect immortality from a teacup. Now, how to make the healthiest cup. This part matters more than you think. Don't use boiling water, as high heat destroys catechins. Ideal temperature should be 70-80 degrees Celsius. Avoid decaf green tea because processing reduces nutrients. Add lemon as it boosts catechin absorption. Choose high quality because higher grade equals more bioactive compounds. Please don't fall for green tea supplements claiming miracle results, since high dose extracts have even been linked to liver toxicity in reports reviewed by the European Food Safety Authority. So here's the bottom line: green tea is scientifically supported, genuinely beneficial, but not magic. Drink it smart, and it can absolutely be part of a healthier life. If you learned something new, hit like, subscribe, and tell me, how many cups of tea do you drink daily? And if you want more science backed health videos, do check my video on best and worst foods for heartburn. Until next time, stay happy, stay healthy.